It's your girl Kayla and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing y'all my current lash setup. Y'all, that's my dog, he playing with his toy. But in today's video I'm gonna be showing you all my current lash setup. I did film a video similar to this last year, but you know, it's been a year now. I've switched a few things around, you know. So I have a lot of new things that I've added. So this is an updated lash setup tour. And for those of you that don't know, I'm a lash tech. I've been one for 3 years now, and I normally have been filming like lash related stuff. I'll link a few of my latest lash related videos down below. But I'm back and I'm better. I have a camera now and I'm gonna be filming a little bit more. So without further ado, I'm gonna get right on into the video. Let's get it. This is my current setup. I am a home-based lash tech. So I'm downstairs and I'm right by the front door. Okay, so let's see. Let's start over here. This is where I just kind of have my keys at. This is my ring light that I ordered off of Amazon. This right here is a faux plant. This was brought from Ross, I believe, and I paid $40, I want to say. This over here is like my little corner that just has a few of my things. Normally, I have lash shampoo for my clients that sits over in this area, but we're gonna get all into it. So, oh, y'all, excuse me. I had a pop-up shop and I got this custom. This is just like a little board with me on here and my logo, Envy Minx Beauty Bar LLC, period. So this whole thing right here was purchased from this shelf, whatever you want to call this. This was purchased from, oh my god, I know. TJ Maxx. Actually, I take it back. It was purchased from Ross, and I believe I paid around like 40 something dollars. Ross and TJ Maxx are literally my best friend when it comes to decorating and home goods. Okay, so yeah, this is just like candy for my clients, because you know a lot of my clients, they love candy. So that's for them. After services, some hand sanitizer, a candle that I purchased from TJ Maxx. This is another little plant. Excuse my nail. I have an obsession with these little plants. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. And I purchased this from Dollar General. Some tissue. This is a lash fan. It really should be on my lash cart, but I just have this sitting over here. This is my JBL speaker. That's from Amazon. Just some paper towel, my cleaning sanitation stuff over here, paper towel, Lysol wipes, Febreze, more hand sanitizer, some alcohol, some aloe vera gel, and some Lysol. These alcohol, aloe vera gel, that's for when I do people's eyebrows. Okay. Oh, y'all. Oh, I thought I pressed the button on this camera. Okay, so up here is just like a little hanger that they can hang their jackets, purses, all over there. That was purchased from Target. This right here is a lash pillow. It's super comfortable, and I put it on the floor because I always put a covering on top of it, so you know. And I'll show y'all the coverings that I put on top of it. Let me see, how can I zoom it? Can I zoom it? Yeah, I need help with this thing on camera. But let's move on to, yeah, let's move on to my little area. So this right here is my stool. Same stool from last year, and this was purchased from TJ Maxx. My trash can, my dental bibs. This is the covering for my lash pillows. So, you know, real sanitary right there. These are some lash supplies. Just some lashes that I ordered. Okay, this is my lash cart. So I did go ahead and invest into another lash cart, and I'm super happy because I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of lash trays, as you can see. So I need extra storage when it comes to a lash cart. All right. So this right here is just like my little organizer for my lash spoolies, and another lash spoolie that I give clients. This is really good, especially, you know, just for your car. And it has a little, well, that don't have it, but it has a little little decoration going on. I just think it's so cute. It's a little tube, some money, a plant, another plant. Y'all know I love my plants. So yeah, all of this, Amazon. Okay, this right here is just like my miscellaneous area. Some remover. I don't really like that. I'm gonna do a video of supplies that I recommend and don't recommend for lash techs, but this is some cream remover from Paris Lash Academy. This is some primer off of Amazon. This is my Holy Grail glue, Stacey Lash glue. Focus, focus, focus. Yeah, Stacey Lash Sensitive, and just some essential oils. Alrighty. Next, this area right here, and oh, by the way, these little containers, these gold containers, are from Target. So this right here is just like basically some more essential oils, some scissors for our brows, and some eyebrow waxing sticks because I do wax eyebrows. This right here is my fancy, cute little bedazzled Cash App frame. And this Cash App frame was made by, I will link her Instagram down below. But yeah, my girl Dana made me this for my pop-up shop last year. This is just some eye gel patches I don't use. This is my diffuser. Smells so good. This is my little, I clean my clients' lashes, so this is just like the little water dispenser to just kind of clean the shampoo off. This is some lash shampoo made by yours truly, and I will show you all how to make that if you all are interested in that. These are just my lash my lash tweezers, tape, my waxing pot, lashes that I haven't used, and in these drawers right here just has all my lash stuff. So lash trays, more lash trays, and more lash trays, some glue rings, because you can never have enough, right? Miscellaneous items, lash trays and some mints, fresh air freshener, more lash trays, all in this bin. And this is just some mesh bags that I have, and I put my clients' spoolie brushes so that they can take them home. Now let's move on to this area. This is like a divider, and I put this here because I am technically lashing like near my living room, and I just don't want people to I just kind of want it to be kind of sectioned off, so it's just not so like you're in my living room. So yeah, this is from Amazon, the divider. And yeah, this is still the lash lamp I use this Amazon right here. This right here is just something I kind of took from my living room. I don't really remember where my mom brought this from, but I'm pretty sure it's probably Walmart. Okay, this is my lash bed. Still the same lash bed from last year. Still the same blanket. Lash bed from Amazon, blanket from TJ Maxx. See, if you all haven't noticed, a lot of my appliances are coming from either TJ Maxx, Ross, or Amazon, but 90% is Amazon. Now, I know last year you all got a chance to see, and I'll link this down in the description box below, but I made a flower wall. I took it down because, of course, there are a few things kind of falling off, like a few flowers and stuff, but that can easily be fixed. I worked really hard on it and spent a little bit, not a little bit, but I spent quite a bit of money to get it to look the way it looks. And I love it. I'm not gonna get rid of it, but I'm just not gonna use it anymore because it was right over in this area. But I'm going to put this mirror in that area instead. I think it's so cute. I got this from TJ Maxx this morning. This mirror was $29.99. I know you all can't probably read it, but yeah, it's $29.99, and I just think it's so cute. Oh my gosh. And it'll look a little bit better, and that way, you know, when my clients get up from getting their lashes done, they can look at their pretty lashes right over here with this pretty mirror. And it has gold detailing on it and everything. Oh, ooh. It has gold detailing on it and everything. I just think it's so freaking cute. Y'all, yeah, I enjoy working from out of my home. I don't care what anybody says. I know that it's not the most professional thing, and I know that times are crazy, especially depending on what city or state that you're in. But, you know, like I said, I love working from my home. I haven't really had any crazy experiences where I've had to kind of kick someone out, or I've had to call the authority or anything of that sort. And I'm so thankful for that, because majority of my clients either know me through another person that I know, and it just works out for me. Plus more, this is a small city that I'm working in. For the most part, everyone knows everyone, so ain't nobody trying that with me, and that's that. But yeah, y'all, I plan to do more videos. I have a camera now. I'm super excited. So make sure y'all comment down below what y'all want to see. I can do lifestyle. I can show you all more lash related things. If you all want to know what it's like to be a lash tech, then let me know. If y'all want to know what supplies are needed to be a lash tech, let me know. Look, y'all, I got the whole summer. I only have like 2 courses that I'm taking. Almost about to be a graduate. So anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.